Hey guys, it's Lane's I think I my dog, and I'm going to be doing a stunt. I'm going to be jumping over this tall fence. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Giving me funny stares. I was like, what the heck are you doing? I got stickers in me. I got like stickers. I hate Florida. I hate where I live. Oh, anyway, that was my stunt that ended with me getting green stickers all over me. And that's about it. So, comment, rate, and